Alright, so we're going to put this in. This is the old one. I'm going to put this one in. Let's see if I can get under here and do this. So we got a clip here. Look at that. Alright. So where we're at is right there. Okay. Let me put the new one on here. Let's see if I can do this. Okay. So depending on which vehicle you have, this is adjustable pedals. You're going to need one or the other. Okay. So the way you do it is you slide it over like that, okay? That way you can get in here. And then I'm not even sure, but I think that this other one was installed incorrectly, because I think this thing is supposed to sit a certain way. Okay. The way it was in here was like this, okay? And I don't know if that's the correct way. So I'm going to put it in there like that and just check it really quick. But it could go all the way forward, I think. I'm not going to put the clip on it yet either. So it's possible it maybe was installed incorrectly. You can see it's right there. It kind of... Yep. So now we're just gonna get in here and get this clip in here. All right. So the clip. Okay. And I don't know, but there's probably a certain way it's supposed to go on here too. But you're going to have a hard time getting it in there without a screwdriver. Alright, so we got it in there. Should be good to go.